What's up everybody, it's your boy Mr. Beast, and today we're not giving away cars or doing crazy challenges. We're talking about something even crazier, making thousands of dollars every single month just by being creative. That's right, I'm teaming up with my friends at Creative Fabrica to show you how their AI-powered design tool, Creative Fabrica Flow, can help you unlock your inner entrepreneur and start raking in some serious cash. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to learn how to turn your passion into profit. Alright, you guys know I love a good challenge, and the first way to make bank with Creative Fabrica Flow is through print on demand. Imagine this, you design a super cool, one-of-a-kind t-shirt, someone buys it, and boom, you make money. It's like having your own clothing line without all the hassle of manufacturing and shipping. And the best part is, you can use Flow to create designs for anything. T-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, stickers, you name it. Just upload your creations to platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Merch by Amazon, and let the money start rolling in. With Flow's intuitive interface and powerful AI algorithms, you can create stunning designs in minutes. Even if you've never designed a thing in your life, find your niche, create some killer designs, and watch the orders pour in. And hey, if you're feeling really ambitious, you can even start your own brand and build a loyal following around your unique style. The possibilities are endless, and the earning potential is huge. So what are you waiting for? Unleash your inner design ninja, and let's start making some serious print-on-demand profits. Okay, so maybe you're more into the digital side of things. Well, get this, you can use Creative Fabrica Flow to create awesome digital products and sell them on Etsy. We're talking SVGs for cry-cut and silhouette crafters, printable wall art, social media templates, planners, invitations, the list goes on, and the best part is, once you create a digital product, you can sell it over and over again without having to lift a finger. That's right, passive income, baby. Etsy is like a giant online marketplace for handmade and vintage goods, and digital products are absolutely killing it right now. The key here is to do your research and find out what's hot in the Etsy marketplace. What are people searching for? What are the best-selling digital products in your niche? Once you have a good understanding of the market, you can start creating designs that are tailored to those specific keywords and interests. With a little bit of effort and a whole lot of creativity, you can turn your Etsy shop into a passive income powerhouse. So what are you waiting for? Let's get those digital downloads flying off the virtual shelves. Chapter 3. Affiliate Advantage. Sharing is caring and earning. Alright guys, this next method is for all my social butterflies out there. Did you know you can get paid to share awesome products with your friends and followers? That's right, with Creative Fabrica's affiliate program, you can earn up to 25% commission on every sale you refer, plus 20% recurring commissions on subscriptions. That's like getting paid every month just for recommending a product you already love. The key is to be authentic and promote products that you genuinely believe in. You can create social media posts, write blog articles, film YouTube videos, or even just tell your friends and family about it. So, if you're looking for a fun and flexible way to make some extra cash, affiliate marketing is definitely worth checking out. It's a win-win-win. Chapter 4. Creative Empire Building Your Own Design Marketplace Domination. Okay, for all you aspiring design moguls out there, this last method is for you. If you're serious about turning your passion for design into a full-time income, then listen up. Creative Fabrica isn't just a design tool. It's also a massive online marketplace where you can sell your own fonts, graphics, templates, and more. Building your own store on Creative Fabrica takes a little more time and effort than the other methods, but the potential rewards are huge. You have the opportunity to build your own brand, cultivate a loyal following, and generate a substantial income from your creative work. The key here is to create high-quality, in-demand products that solve a specific problem or fulfill a specific need. Promote your store on social media, collaborate with other designers, and provide excellent customer service to build trust and encourage repeat business. But with the right mindset and a passion for design, you can turn your creative dreams into a reality. Outro: Unleash your inner entrepreneur. Alright guys, there you have it. 4 incredible ways to unlock your earning potential and make up to $4,000 per month with Creative Fabrica Flow. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, there's a method here for everyone. Remember, the key to success is to take action. Don't just watch this video and forget about it. Choose one of these methods, dive in head first, and start creating.